I thought I threw it at my lens. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Hey beautifuls, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Finn and I post content twice a week. In today's video, I'm so excited, I actually can't wait. I am going to be testing and reviewing the SUBSKY makeup brushes from Amazon. Now, these brushes are freaking cheap, like I cannot stress that enough. So they were £11.99 for all of them. I'll pop the link thing here. But they look stunning. They look so, so pretty. Oh, as I said, I bought these from Amazon from a company called SUBSKY. I don't think they're very, like, I say reputable. I don't think they're a very well-known company. They have like 33 reviews at the moment, 34 when my one goes live. But at the moment, like, they're all really good reviews. I think it's got 4.5, maybe 5 stars. So not only do you get the makeup brushes, you get an actual pouch with them. So can I just reiterate, £12, you get the brushes and you get a little pouch. Now the pouch is actually not bad, like quality-wise. Really quickly, I have Dettoled all of these. I've washed every single brush the way I normally do, and I've Dettoled the handle. Actually, I haven't Dettoled them, I've fabulosed them, but everything is very, very clean. Quality, the stitching is absolutely fine, and I'm actually really super impressed with that. Onto the makeup brushes. These are freaking cute. I'll show you one. How stunning are they? They are actually adorable. What they all look like. They are actually so, so cute. In this kit we get a foundation brush, a fan brush, 2 fluffy eyeshadow brushes, 2 detailer brushes, a flat brush, a flat pointed liner brush, a regular liner brush, an angled eyebrow brush, a regular spoolie brush, the eyelash eyebrow brush. So that is everything you get in this kit. There's so many brushes there, and all for £12. And can I just say really quickly, they don't feel cheap. I assumed that because of the price, when they got here they would feel super, super cheap and tatty and horrible. They feel really good. Like, I love it, and I love the handles because they're not like straight, they are choppy like real amethyst, so they just feel really nice to hold. So yeah, what we're doing today is I'm going to be doing my full face using these new brushes. I'm going to let you know what I think of them, if I think they're worth. Okay guys, I'm changing it up today. I'm going to have to change it up. I'm using too much of my W7, so I'm going to be going with my PS My Perfect Colour Perfect Finish foundation. This is a tiny bit too dark for me, but it doesn't matter because I'm not doing anything. And then I'm going to be taking my foundation brush and popping it on with that. I've been so excited to test this, honestly. Let's go! That's not bad, to be honest. I'm not sure whether this is a foundation brush, but I mean, you can use it for one. It's hard enough that it will scrape the product, but it's also soft enough that you could bounce it around like a beauty blender. Now I won't lie, I've honestly used the hardest foundation ever to test this with because that foundation is so thick, but it's actually done a really good job at blending that out. Like, that's my base at the moment. It looks very dewy in my opinion. I don't need any concealer because that's definitely done the trick. Like, it's a very natural base cover, and it's even. Like, I don't feel like it's too orange, it's not too thick in some places. So yeah, I'm really happy with that one. Okay, I'm now going to be taking the SUBSKY. Of course it's SUBSKY, they're all SUBSKY. I'm now taking the powder brush. I'm going to be going in with my Banana Dreams. I'm just going to throw some of that on my face. Seriously, at the moment I am not mad with these. Like, it's a powder brush, it worked, it picked up the product, put it on my face. Like, this stuff is so cheap. We'll see how this goes because this is actually quite a thick, how can I show you? It is quite a thick angled brush, but I'm going to try it anyway. I'm going in with my B by Superdrug Long Wear Brow Cream. Oh my freaking god. I thought I threw it at my lens. I'm not sure how well this is going to pick it up. It's really soft. Okay. Why are my expectations always so low? Like, that is perfect. Boom! I have eyebrows. Okay, so I'm going to go in with the spoolie brush, just brush these out a little bit. Spoolie brushes are just spoolie brushes, like, I don't really understand how you can have good or bad ones. Yeah, it's a nice spoolie brush, it's not bad. I mean, so far, so freaking good, like, SUBSKY, you little babe. Next thing I would do is my eyeshadow. I'm going to go for like quite a natural softy look today, so I'm going in with the W7 Socialite palette. This is a really light colour story, so we're going to be going in with that. I'm not testing the makeup today, we are testing the brushes. Are you ready? They are soft, like, right, well, it picks up the product fine. I don't think we can really argue that. They feel really nice on the skin. Okay, so I'm now going to be taking this flat brush and I'm going to be going in with a glitter shade to pop that over my lids. I changed my mind, I'm really sorry. I'm going to go in with my finger and then I'll do the flat brush for something else. Grab that one again and just blend it a tiny bit. Now I'm going to take that flat brush again and I'm going to go in with a darker colour and just use that for my under eye. At the moment I've got nothing bad to say about these brushes. Seriously, like nothing. I'm just going to take the clean fluffy one and just blend that out a tiny bit. I'll be completely honest. Yeah, they're really cheap, but I see no difference between this and my Real Techniques ones. Which might make me sound like a bit of a cheapskate, but I'm not going to lie to you guys. So, I bought this the other day actually. I'm going in with the Sun-Kissed bronzer. Got this from the range, it was really cheap. I'm just going to take like the little contoury brush. I think this is a contour brush because it looks like an egg. If that makes any sense. So it's like pointed at the top and rounded at the bottom. Like, I'm not really very good at contouring anyway. I just shove it in the bit that I want to be darker. Now, I'm not sure if all contour brushes are like that or I don't know, but I really like that. It makes sense. It makes sense. I'm actually really impressed with this Sun-Kissed bronzer, so snazzy, darling. I'm going to be taking the last powder brush and going in with some blush. And now for my base, I'm just going to be taking the fan brush and going in with some blusher. Not blusher, I've just done that. Now I'm going to be taking the fan brush and going in with some highlight. My normal one is a lot more dense. This is very like flicky, if that makes any sense. But we will see. It is a lot softer obviously than my current one, but it does work. I prefer my current one, won't lie. I prefer a stiffer. I prefer a denser brush, but it works. I'm also going to be taking one of the detailer brushes and just using that for my inner corner. Right guys, I'm going to pop on some lipstick, I'm going to pop on some mascara, and I'll get right back to you for a final reveal and a final look at what I think. Right honeys, this is the final look. I'm actually really impressed. Like, I actually really like this. It's very nude, very like neutral, but it's still glam and glowy. Like, I'm very happy. And then the reason that we're here, like the makeup brushes, I am freaking obsessed with. Hand on heart, they're really good brushes and they were £12. Like, you cannot complain. If you're a beginner, a novice, you're just learning, you need some spares, I genuinely recommend these. Genuinely, they're really good brushes. The only thing I would say that maybe I would invest better in is a fan brush. That's it. everything else works perfectly, but then the fan brush is just my personal opinion. I prefer them denser, some people prefer them softer. It's up to you really what you like. I'm obsessed with these, I absolutely love it. Thanks so much for clicking onto this video. You could have been doing absolutely anything right now and instead you decided to watch my face. I really appreciate it. If you liked the video, please don't forget to smash that like button. It helps me out so much. And if you're new and you haven't yet done so, please consider subscribing. I post content like this all the time, and if you want to see me try anything, test anything, let me know in the comment box down below, because I'm well up for trying your ideas. I love it when you guys give me like things that you want me to do. I like doing things that you guys really want to watch. Thanks so much for watching. I really hope you have a fantastic day, evening, or weekend, wherever you are in the world. And I really hope that I get to see you again in the next one. Until then, love you, bye.